This is Sydney and Owen, and they are here with me at the Art Factory. And at the Art Factory, we're all about having fun and making a mess. And so today, we are gonna get messy making cloud dough. So if you wanna make cloud dough with me, ask your mom or dad or your adult if you can get some shaving cream and this is cornstarch, and then some washable paint if you want your cloud dough to be a color. A bowl and a spoon.
Make sure you ask for permission before you gather the ingredients.
Roll up your sleeves to get messy, don't you? You good? I got my sleeves rolled up. So the first thing you do when you make your messy cloud dough, take my shaving cream and I'm gonna put a bunch in my bowl. I love when I shoot shaving cream out, that it makes a mountain. That's fun. And then I'm gonna take my spoon and my little cup of cornstarch, and I'm gonna scoop some cornstarch into my bowl. I'm gonna have my shaving cream and my cornstarch, and I'm gonna mix them together. And we have a messy table underneath us, so if my bowl overflows, it's okay. So if you do this at home, you might wanna do it outside, in the yard, or even with a blanket underneath you at home, or even in a Tupperware is a good place to do it too. Ooh, it's starting to mix. See how fluffy it's getting? And I want to add some color to my cloud dough. So I'm going to take my blue washable paint and I'm going to squirt it into my cloud dough. I'm using my spoon for it right now. Once it's starting to get pretty mixed, this is where you start to get the good stuff and you get your hands all in there and you get your hands gooey. Sydney's getting her hands all gooey and Owen's already getting his hands all gooey. Do you like making messes?
Yeah.
And getting your hands messy? Do you like making messes and getting your hands messy? Owen?
Yes. Do you like it messy?
Look how fun that is. It's so smushy, it feels great. So the best part about making cloud dough, it's such a fun activity to do because there's no right or wrong way to make cloud dough. I didn't measure anything. I don't like to measure stuff. Shh, don't tell. That's why I'm not a good cook. I don't like to measure stuff. So I just squirted the shaving cream in and I just mixed some cornstarch in.
Holy cow, mine is
That is, see, he likes a lot of shaving cream. Sydney likes a lot of cornstarch.
and shaving cream.
And shaving cream. You add a lot of shaving cream, your cloud dough is going to be really gooey and you'll be able to squish it through your fingers. If you add, can I show your other one you made? This other one you made? This dough that Sydney made, it has a lot of cornstarch in it. Yours is a really fun texture, almost kind of like moon sand. That's what's really fun about this activity is there's no right or wrong way to do it and you can experiment and see which way you like the best. You might like to add lots of shaving cream and make yours really fluffy and gooey, or you might like yours to be kind of crumbly and kind of sandy. I like mine to be somewhere in the middle, not too crumbly, not too fluffy. Kind of almost like, mine looks like a giant snowball right now.
Kind of, except there's blue.
There's little flecks of blue and purple in here from where we've been playing. We've been playing with friends
on my shirt
today. That's okay. You know what's really great about all this stuff is it's washable. So even if you get it on your clothes, it'll wash right off.
This is washable?
All of it's washable. Hands can wash in the sink and your clothes can wash in the laundry. It's all washable. All of this stuff is fine. And it washes up with warm water really, really easily. So it's not that bad. And do you like the smell of shaving cream? I like the smell of shaving cream. So this is a super fun activity that you can do at home with your family. Or if your family doesn't want you making a big mess at home, you can come make a big mess at the Art Factory. The Art Factory is a process art and play studio for kids, and we're located in the Newport Community Center. We're running classes weekly, so if you would like to check us out, we have a webpage that you can sign up for classes on. It's at theartfactorynrv.com. If you're interested in coming and making a mess with us, you can class and come make messes with us here if you don't want to make a mess at home. But it's fun to make messes at home too. Ready? Let's show everybody our hands and how great they are. Yay!
Bonus tip.
Moms and dads and adults, if you have a little one that might not like to get their hands yucky, an awesome tip is to have a little warm bucket of water next to it. And then if they're uncomfortable with getting stuff on their hands, they can always dip their hands in the warm water, wipe it off in a towel, and come back to it. And the more they play with messy activities with this, the more comfortable they'll get. As you can see, we play with messy activities a lot, so we're not hesitant to dive in and get gooey. After you've got your dough going, just add lots of fun kitchen utensils that they can, we were making we had a cloud dough kitchen going on here this morning. It's full of shaving cream right now. Thank you, friends, for joining us and helping us make cloud dough and helping us get messy. And we hope you have a great time making messes at home on your own or joining us at the Art Factory. Bye!
And now a tour of the Art Factory.